Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. This is your mathematics period. Which chapter we are discussing? Chapter 7, cubes and cube roots. So we found the prime factorization methods to find the cube roots. Here the new method, that is by estimation, how we can calculate the cube root of a number. So we will discuss the estimation method of cube roots. Moreover, we can do the problems from cubes. Okay. So children, this is the last class dealing chapter 7. This is a small chapter. Moreover, it is very easy. Do the problems very carefully, then you will get the correct answer. Okay, you can watch the class. Children, here we do the problems from exercise 7.1. Last question. Parishit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. How many such cuboids will be need to form a cube? Children, you know the difference between a cuboid and cube. What is a cuboid? It will have length, breadth and height. But in the case of cube, all sides will be equal. So here the question, how many cuboids will be needed to form a cube? That means all the sides should be equal in the case of a cube. So here sides are 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. Here in the question, we can apply the method of making perfect cube. How we will make this cuboid a cube? By making the sides. Is it? Here 5 cm sides 2 times and 2 cm sides 1 time. So here 1 5 and 2 2's are needed to make this number a cube. That means 5 into 2 into 2. 20 cuboids are needed to form a cube. Understood? This is the application of the making of perfect cube. Understood? So children, we can go next section. That is the last section of our chapter. That is cube root of cube number by estimation. By prime factorization method, we calculated the cube root of cube number. Here the method by estimation or by guessing, you can find the cube root of the number. Here the steps are there. First step, we make the digits into 2 groups. That is, if the question is to find the cube root of this number, here 6 digits are there. From right, we will group together to 2 groups. First group 375, next 857. So 375 ending with the number 5. You know, if the ones digit is 5 in the number, its cube root contains 5 itself in the ones digit. So we can assume the ones digit will be 5 in the cube root. Then consider second group 857. So we will assume 857 will be in between 2 perfect cubes. Which perfect cubes are there? 729 and 1000. 857 is in between these two cubes, 729 and 1000. So here we will take the lowest cube, that means 729. Its cube root is 9. So the tens digit will be considered as 9. So we will get the cube root of this number 95. Okay. So first we will group together into two groups of 3 digits. Then first group will be decided the ones digit. Second group will be decided the tens digit. And then you understood the method from here? Question. Find the cube root of 17576 through estimation. Here from right, we grouping the digits of 3. That means 576 one group and 17 is the second group. So 576, what is the ones digit here? 6. You know, its cube root will be contain 6 itself. So ones place is 6. What about tens digit? 17. So 17 is in between two cubes, 8 and 27. So we will consider the lowest cube 8. What is its cube root? 2. So this 2 will be the tens place digit. So the number cube root of 17576 equal to 26. Okay. So children, cube root of 17576 equal to 26. Next question. This is an exercise question. Last exercise question. Guess cube root of 1331 without factorization. Without factorization means the method of estimation. Here we grouped from right 3 digits. Then leaving 1 digit here. 331. Ones place is 1. So ones digit will be in the cube root 1 itself. 1 is the cube of 1 itself. So we can write cube root of 1331 equal to 1, 1. That is 11. We can check whether it is correct or not. 11 into 11, 121 into 11, 1331. This is the way we do by guessing or estimation. Children, so do the problems from the textbook. I am very happy to see you are sending the answers to the review test and the answers are correct also. Okay, thank you. Children, you understood the method of estimation. So do the problems by factorization and by estimation. Do more problems in your notebook. Thank you.